Hi students, welcome to Aryabhatta Maths World Hebba. This is Basavaraj Dole, Maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about 8th standard lesson special product. So for this special product we are going to first we have to simplify with the warm up problems. See here minus 3 bracket 5 x square. So answer is minus 3 5s are minus 15 x square. Next we go to the one more problem 2 bracket 7 x plus 1. So multiply by monomial by binomial 2 7s are 14 x plus 2 1s are 2. So this is a simple example of special product. Next we move to the how about two binomials are there, that is x plus 2, 2x plus 3. How we have to do it if two binomials are there? So for this we have to apply distributive property. So distributive property, all of you know that x plus 2 into 2 bracket 2x plus 3. See here x plus 2 is there, here 2x plus 3 is. So you have to take first term multiply by second term 2x plus 3 plus second term 2 multiply by second binomial 2x plus 3, x into 2x 2x square, x into 3 3x plus 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into 3 6. So then you have to add, put as it is 2x square, add same terms, that is 3x plus 4x, how much it is 7x plus 6. Note that there are 3 terms, this is called trinomial. So for this we have to multiplying the two binomials, we have to apply one more method, that is called FOIL method, that is called FOIL method, FOIL. So we have to see how FOIL method works on this multiplication of two binomials. See here the FOIL method is only used when multiply by two binomials. When you have to apply multiplying two binomials, then only FOIL method is used. It is an acronym and tells you which term is multiplied. So which term we have to multiply. For example, if we take one more example y plus 4 y plus 5. So for this we have to apply FOIL method, y plus 4 y plus 5, y plus 4 y plus 5. For this we have to apply FOIL method. So see here y plus 4 y plus 5. FOIL means f tells you multiply the first term of each binomial, that is y into y, that is y square. Next in FOIL O tells you multiply outer term. By first term we have to multiply outer term y into 5 plus 5y. In FOIL I tells you to multiply inner terms each binomials. Inner terms means 4 into y, that is 4y, y square plus 5y plus 4y. In FOIL last, L means last term, L means what? Last term each binomial. Last term is 4 into 5, 4 5 is how much it is 20, that is 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. The equation is y square plus 5y plus 5y plus 4y plus 20. So see here combine the like terms, put y square as it is, 5y plus 4y like terms both are, how much it is 9y plus 20. The required equation is y square plus 9y plus 20. This type you have to apply the FOIL method for multiplication of two binomials, that is first term by first term y square, first term by second last term 5y, first term by first term second 4y plus 20. Next we move to the second method, that is called box method. This method works for every problem. By multiplication of two binomials we have to apply the box method, that is this method see here, the equation is 4x minus 3, binomial it is 2x plus 5. Put as it is box this type, upper place you have to put 4x minus 3, in cross method 2x plus 5. Draw a box, write a polynomial on the top side of the box. It does not matter where. This will be modeled in the next problem along with the FOIL. So, this type you have to use it. See here, they have given multiply 4x minus 3, 2x plus 5. 4x minus 3 you have to upper box you have to write, in state box 2x plus 5 you have to put. First term you have to multiply. 2 4s how much? 8x square, 2 into 3 minus 6x, that is inner term. Same type in plus 5. 5 4s are plus 20x, that is outer term. 5 3s are minus 15. Understand all of you? 2 4s are 8x square, 2 into minus 3 minus 6x. Next move to the plus 5 plus 4x plus 20x plus 5 minus 3 plus into minus minus 5 3s are 15. So, put the unlike terms as it is. The first one is 8x square as it is, then add the like terms. Like terms means 20x plus 20x minus 6x means you have to subtract. 20x minus 6x means plus 14x. Then number you have to put it as it is, minus 15. The required equation is 8x square plus 14x minus 15. This type you have to apply the box method for special product. So, one more problem same it is, that is multiply 7a plus 5, 3a minus 1. In upper box you have to put 7a plus 5, in state box you have to put 3a minus 1. First term is 3 7s how much? 21a square, 3 into 5 plus 15a, minus 1 into 7 minus 7a, minus 1 into plus 5 minus 5. So, first term is how much? 21 square, outer term is minus 7a plus 15a plus 5. So, put 21a square as it is plus add like terms, plus 15a minus 7a, plus 15a minus 7a means one is plus, another one is minus, subtract it. In 15 we have to subtract 7, minus 7a means plus 8a. So, minus 5 as it is. So, the equation is 21a square plus 8a minus 5. This type you have to apply box method. So, one more problem you have to see, 2m plus n, 4m plus n. In upper 2m plus n, in lower 4m plus 2n. 4 2s are 8m square, 4m plus n, 4mn plus, next go to the second term, plus 2n plus 2m, 4mn plus 2n plus n plus 2n square. The first term is 8m square, outer term is 4mn, inner term is 4mn, last term is 2mn. First we have to put 8m square as it is, because there is only one term is there. Like terms are there in yellow color, 4mn plus 4mn. How much it is? 8mn. Both are plus, so you have to add it. Like terms you have to add it. Next we go to the plus 2n square. So, the equation is 8m square plus 8mn plus 2n square. 8m square 2n square are only one terms, though we have to put as it is, but it is both are same like terms in yellow color, we have to add it, 8m square plus 8mn plus 2n square. So, I think all of you understand it. Okay. This is the multiplication of special product. If you have any doubt, you will ask me, or you will send the message, or any queries you will ask to by send the message. Okay. All of you I think understand it. Okay. If any difficulty, you will ask me. Okay. Thank you once again.